Well, good morning, everybody. Oh, hard on the clutch. We are raking some more hay, and I've often wondered since I bought this Prorotor rake if in fact a Prorotor could be used as a hay tedder. And well, I'm trying it right now. I'll show you right away. These are the windrows off the 8040 that we cut. I never touched them yesterday. Now, let's see if I can get a better picture of it. Rough. That's why we're cutting this field. It's not producing, and it needs to be redone. Is it laying out a good swath? Let's get up here a little further, and we can debate what we got going on. See back there where it missed, it's laid out a little wider, which is fine. It is definitely flipping it for the most part. I'm running in low third gear at approximately 4.1 miles per hour. Let's shut her down there and take a look outside. See if we're going to continue with this. This is a straight grass hay that we got, and it's getting real close to being baled, but I noticed in the heavier spots it was still green underneath. So that's the debate. Now we got it up on dry ground. It's pretty good straight grass. Oh, it smells good yet. But we look down here. Are we clumpy or are we loose and fluffy where we need to get some more drying done? Now, the debate is, would it be better to stand it up on end, put the windboard back on and have it tighter and have this windrow stand up some more? I don't know, it's hard to say. We're gonna do it both ways in this field, and we'll use this we'll do this outside around like this, and then we'll put the moldboard on, or not the moldboard, but the windboard on, and see what it looks like. Like I said, this isn't a lot of hay, but that's why we're redoing this field. It's still got a fair bit of green in it, like real green. And you can almost feel the moisture in it yet. Yeah, there's still stem moisture in that. So anyway, leave your comments. I'll check them all day long. And let me know what you guys think. I know only about 16 guys are going to watch this before the end of the day, probably. So yeah, let's know. And I'll keep track of this field, and we'll see how it works out.